Hey everybody, what is up and welcome back to today's video. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to put YouTube beats in GarageBand. This is very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. If you do not have the application, go ahead and download it from the App Store, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of GarageBand, where we can get started with seeing all the instruments we can play, like the keyboard, the drums, and so on. We can get started with plugging in, or we can just go ahead and get with recording ourselves. So let's go ahead and see how to put a YouTube beat that we have into GarageBand. So basically what we want to do first is go ahead and open up the audio recorder option right here. That's going to open up this new menu where we can get started with recording ourselves. As you can see, we have the option to record ourselves. We can go ahead and add effects that we want to use and so on. But basically guys, this is how you add the YouTube beat that you have. First, you have to download that beat and put it into your iPhone. So you must have it in your files to be able to add it. So and once we click right here into the upper left corner into the edit mode, it's going to open up edit mode right here. And now in the upper right corner is going to appear a new button that's going to enable us to go ahead and add what we want. So guys, click this button right here. That's going to enable us to go ahead and browse items from the Files app. So by clicking this button and browsing our files, we can now find the MP3 file that we have downloaded from YouTube and the beat we want to put. So go ahead and open up the file. As you can see, and once clicking on your file, it's going to appear right here where you can see your MP3 file that you can use and drag and drop into your track right here to get started with editing it. So this is how you'll be able to put your beat into GarageBand, and now you can go ahead and add your FX options. You can go ahead and adjust your sliders, add your master effects, and so on until you get your desired effect on the beat. After that, you can save it normally and use it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.